Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha, clinical microbiologist, currently looking over the Department of Microbiology and Serology at ONQuest, Gurgaon. The department is well equipped and capable of handling plethora of diagnostic services over a broad and dynamic range, such as bacteriology, mycobacteriology, mycology, parasitology, serology, immunology, hospital infection control and biomedical waste management, quality control testing more than 500 tests every day. Our lab is fully compliant to the quality standards as per NABL and bears excellent proficiency results. MIGIT is an automated mycobacterial culture system for mycobacterial growth, detection and susceptibility with high throughput. Almost more than 900 samples can be tested in a single instrument. It is more sensitive than the conventional solid media and reduces the turnaround time to 10 days as compared to the 28 to 42 days with the conventional method. Coming on to GeneXpert, GeneXpert MTB-RIF Ultra is a semi-quantitative nested PCR with high-resolution MELT technology, resulting in better discrimination of RPOB mutations with a turnaround time of less than 80 minutes. It has 5% higher sensitivity. The limit of detection is 11.8 CFU per ml, then GeneXpert MTB-RIF, which impacts the smear negative culture positive patient. Also, it improves the detection of mixed infections. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. You may have antibodies against SARS-CoV-2, but you need to be assured if they have neutralizing capacity or not. Well, here we may offer you some help. Ours is one of the few labs currently offering COVID neutralizing assay for the detection of antibodies against COVID-19, which envies most of our counterparts. It is the only FDA approved test kit available in the market which is being used by us. Also, we have a fully automated systems such as BACTEC and VITEC for blood culture and to provide MIC ranges respectively, covering a range of bacterial and fungal pathogens. Indirect immunofluorescence for autoimmune antibodies is being offered, which includes ANA, asthma, AMA, EMA, dsDNA and NCA. Last but not the least, we collaborate with various companies for the scientific research projects.